Hello friends, in this lesson I'm going to introduce you to the computer programming using C language. Well, this lesson is designed for the students who are at very beginner level, who don't have so much experience with programming language. We are going to start with very basics and we will make our concept, our foundations very strong in this course. Let's start. Friends, we all know that a computer is a machine. Now the next question would be, is it different than any machine? Yes, a computer is very different than other machines. Then you will ask, why is it so different than other machines? For example, I will show you here two electronic machines or instruments. This first instrument, you know, it's a music player, and the second instrument is video games. Now one thing is sure, in music player you cannot play video games, and in this instrument you cannot play songs. So the point is, these two instruments, these two machines, they have their task predefined and fixed. You cannot install different programs on them. But computer is different because it can perform many tasks. How many tasks it can perform, it depends on how many programs we have installed in the computer or laptop. So now the next question would be, what is a program? Friends, a program is nothing but a set of instructions. The instructions we write is known as the program. Now friends, these programs are the reason we call our computer and our mobile phone smart. We call our phone a smartphone because it has many programs installed in it. The programs are smart so that our phone can act as a very smart device. Without this program, your computer or your mobile will be very stupid. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the regular notification and updates. So if you want to perform any task, you must have a program already installed in a computer. But now what if you want to have some new task you want to perform with computer? Then a computer does not know how to perform that task. For this reason, you are going to write your own program for that. So whenever you want to perform a new task for which a program is not installed in a computer, then you have to write your own program. Friend, this is what we are going to do in this course. We are going to learn how to write programs and we will become programmer. So what is the task of programmer? They write a program and then they execute it, they run it. Now let's understand how it is done. Friends, we know that a program is nothing but a set of instructions. Now for giving these instructions, the next question is, what kind of language you will choose? Because you have to supply instructions to a computer. So the first thought will be, can we use an English language, our natural language, our mother tongue? The answer would be no, because we know that a computer understands only a binary language, 1 and 0. This language is known as the machine language. So computer understands only a machine language. If you get a superpower, and if you get inside a processor, then all you will find is 1s and 0 inside the computer. This is the only language that computer understands. To solve this problem, we have found the concept known as the high-level language. So what we are going to do, we are going to speak a language which is like English, and somehow a computer will understand in the form of 1 and 0. So these high-level languages are C, C++, Java, Python, C#, etc. So we can write program in this language. This language would be very similar to the English language we use daily. Now the point would be, who is going to translate? Because a computer only understands 1s and 0. For that there is a software known as a compiler. So what a compiler does, whenever you write a program in a high level language, a compiler will convert it in the 1 and 0, which is a machine language. So in brief, the steps for writing the program are, first we are going to write a program, we are going to create it. For this you have to use an editor. Next we are going to compile it. For this we have to use a compiler. Then we are going to execute it, run it, and we will get the output on the screen in the end. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment